Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So we're here at the automotive section. I like to come in through the back of the Walmarts, avoid all the crowds. We're here to pick up some oil for our vehicles, for our trucks, for the work truck and for the personal truck. And let me know which oil is the one that you use, which oil is the one that you prefer. I did get Valvoline. I don't know if I got that last time or not, but I believe that's the one I got last time. Anyway, so $148 for this 4-tool combo kit here from Hart. You got the vacuum inflator and some like a grinder. Like a grinder tool or rotary tool and a charger. You got $69 for a drill driver, 1/2 inch from Hart. And that's it right there. You got impact drivers. And then you got looks like a charger there, and then a battery there to the left, $54. You got some bits there, $7.94 with a nice little case. $10.89. Looks like a 24 piece. And then you got some more drill driver there, or actually it's a hammer drill for $79. Then you got a jigsaw for $54. That's the hammer drill there, 1/2 inch hammer drill kit. And that's the box there. You got the impact driver to the left, $69. You got the reciprocating saw, $54, and then the jigsaw, $54. And that's the reciprocating saw, and then the circular saw. And you got a sander to the right, $44. Got an angle grinder there for $44.88. And then a circular saw for $69. An inflator for $29, and a vacuum for $29 there. And that's the fan. So, and then the radio for $39.77, the fan for $29. So it's not a bad deal for the little fan. And then I believe that's the end of the Hart. Yeah, that's the vacuum there for $29. And I guess on this store they have a lot of Hyper Tough, which in my store they only have like Bluetooth tools. $7.63 for the wire metal wheels, and then $3.83 for the single 3-inch, and then $5.84 for the golden. And you got some drill bits there, some universal bits. And then you got a nice case there. Looks like 1988. Then you got the Hyper Tough. So it looks like a drill for $39. And then another drill back there for $19. Screwdriver for $14.88. Looks like you get some bits. So mostly all these tools are built for the DIY. Don't get me wrong. $44.88 for the reciprocating saw. Then you got a 3-tool combo kit for $89. So like I said, mostly DIY stuff here. So they used to sell different brands, but somehow they're just sticking with these two brands. They're probably clearancing out all the Hyper Tough stuff. So you get a circular saw there for $39.88, as you guys see there. So $39.88. You got a sander there. Looks like $13 for a sander. Then you got a drill there for $24 and $17.83. So I guess $13 for a sander. That's not a bad deal. If you need to just sand a small piece or a small part. $44 for the angle grinder. Then you got a belt sander, This is 28, I believe, 2864. You got a jigsaw, $17.83. These are all corded, by the way. You got a drill for $24. Oscillating for like $20 something. And you got these rotary or these Dremel tools. Angle grinder for $17, and a circular saw for $28. A multi-tool for $19. Then you got some air hoses, the 3/8 PVC air hose. Then you got the rubber, $23.84, and the hybrid, $24.84. And then that's the stuff that I use to clean all the the oils and stuff. If you guys got driveways and sidewalks and stuff like that. I'm just showing you guys the toolboxes here. Disregard the prices because all these prices are all mixed up. I was not able to find the prices on these. These Walmarts are just a mess on here. You know, they're all over the place, and a lot of these don't even have the prices. So I didn't even bother. I just looked a few items. I'm like, oh, I'm done with these prices. Trying to match all the tools and the prices. But they got some nice hard toolboxes there, as you guys see. You got 2074 with this 15-piece kit socket set. Then you got a torque wrench for 2488, a breaker bar for 1097, then some rails there for 594. You got some deep sockets there for 1974, 9-piece. You got SAE or metric. Your 1/2 inch drive, deep impacts. And then you got a 22 1/2 inch socket set, which it's on the wrong place, by the way. You got the 1/2 inch impact socket, 378064. I believe it's on the wrong side, again on the wrong section. You got a nice 20-piece 3/8 drive set there. 1288 for the 11-piece. The sockets, and then for the shallow, the regular sockets, 1088 3/8 drive. Then 988 for the 1/4 inch or 1/4 inch drive. Then you got the 3/8 there. You got some extensions, 988. Impact duty extensions, 1288 from Hart, 3-piece. So it's not too bad. Got some more sockets, 1488. Then 1088 for that 11-piece to the right. Then 1088 for the 9-piece. It's like a star bit. These bits are really handy to have. Sometimes you run into these things, and let me tell you, you're running to AutoZone at the last minute trying to buy some of those, and I've done that before at the middle of the night. The only thing you can find is a Walmart, so you're hoping that a Walmart has it. Sometimes they don't even have it in stock, and you end up just trying to get that nut or bolt out. But I just have them just because sometimes you need them. Sometimes you just run into them. Got universal bits there, or universal extension joints. 844, a 3-piece, impact rated. Got the snap ring pliers, 494. Then 597 for the door panel remover. Which I gotta give me a tool like that. 684. And then you got the locking pliers. Got a nice little set, 116 piece. Which I was trying to find the price, and it turns out that it's 1987. It looks like it. That's in the wrong section, the 137 piece. Like I said, I didn't even bother to look at those bottom tools. So 988 for the groove joints. 1288 for the 12-inch. 1184 for the locking groove joints. And then 1284 for these 10-inch. And then 1488 for the locking groove joints. Got the adjustable for 1488. And then 983, 782 for the smaller ones, the 12-inch and the 10-inch. 2494 for the 4-piece plier set. It's a really nice set. Most of those are 8 inches. Then you got another 6-piece for $13.97. Guys, I'm gonna cut it here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.